How to make delicious air-fried watermelon. Start with some melons, any would do. Then you want cinnamon, ground cinnamon, and then you want to get yourself some sugar as well. Just get a quick bowl and shove both of them in there really quickly. And then get ready to mix them, because you're going to need to mix them really well. As you can see, mix them thoroughly through, so then you're ready to just drop your melons in one by one. I went with a combination here. I tried every melon, this is the first time trying it. Then I just put them around into the mix that we made until they came out. Cover them well so they're properly covered. Chuck them into the air fryer. And you want to put the air fryer on for about 200 degrees, and I put it on between 7 to 10 minutes. Get them out, they should be golden. And that right there is spicy Cheeto prawns. Start off by getting your Cheetos, putting them into a bowl and crushing them all up. Then get another bowl, add some flour, give it a mix around. Then get another bowl with 2 eggs, crack those bad boys open and put them in there. Get a fork, whisk it all around. Next you want to get some cooked or raw prawns and put some salt and pepper on them, it's your choice. Then dip them in the egg, dip them in the flour, and then next go into your Cheeto batter. Do this as many times as you need until it gets nice and crispy. Put them in the air fryer for about 6 minutes, wait for them to be done, take them out and look at those bad boys. Put them onto a plate and maybe add some lemon, and that's how you make.
These are super easy UFO air fryer snack. You can make them in just 6 minutes and they're super easy to make. All you need is some bread and some ingredients. We use peanut butter, Nutella here. You cut it out and then you just need an egg just to dip it in and then chuck it in the air fryer for about 6 minutes at around 200 degrees. They're super easy to make and you can basically use any ingredients you want. We also made some ones with Nutella and some cheese. While we were making the other two, our first one came out, so we had to try it and look how good it looks. You can come up with some really crazy combinations, but we kept it quite simple. But the cheese is melted perfectly and so is the Nutella as well. They're amazing little snacks and so easy to do. And check out these. Perfect.